Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personal website with GoDaddy easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the GoDaddy website. Click on the Create a Website button on the home page. You will be prompted to choose a website type. Select the option that best matches your needs, such as a personal website or portfolio. Next, you will be guided to answer a few questions about your purpose and preferences. Once you complete the questionnaire, GoDaddy will suggest website layouts. Choose a layout that you find appealing. After selecting a layout, click on Edit Site to begin customizing. You will enter the Site Builder interface, where you can start editing your site. On the left sidebar, you'll find various design options and elements. Drag and drop elements like text boxes, images, and buttons onto your page. To add text, simply click on the text element and start typing. You can change fonts and colors by clicking on the design settings. To add images, click on the image element and upload pictures from your device. Ensure your images are high quality and relevant to your content. Next, navigate to the Pages section in the sidebar. Here, you can add new pages such as About, Portfolio, or Contact. To create a new page, click on Add Page. After naming your new page, save your progress frequently by clicking on the Save button in the top right corner. Once you're satisfied with your website, click on the Preview button to see how it will look live. If everything looks good, click on Publish to make your website accessible online. You will need to choose a domain name if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to purchase or connect a domain to your site. After finalizing your domain, your website is now live. Continue to update your content regularly to keep it fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.